Okay, I'm going to show you how to insert these borders into a project. So you would open up your Keynote or PowerPoint and then drag or insert your borders. They are transparent on the outside and on the inside, so you can add photos or things outside the borders or inside. You're going to make a shape and then drag it to fill the white area, which is actually transparent, and go to your image fill and choose your image. I'm going to be looking for things that are similar in color to what the actual color is of my border. So I have a pink flower for this one. I'm going to find my pink flower, I'm going to insert that, and then I'm going to change it to scale to fill. So I want that to fill my whole border, and then I'm going to send it to the back. So then you can see it looks like it's actually in the Polaroid border. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to put that into my next border as I search for my next photo. Now you can use clip art to fill these also, or just drag the clip art on top or inserting it inside. You could use a photo and clip art to combine it to make a different effect. So this one is going to actually be a little Lego minifigure with an orange background. So I'm going to insert that, and I'm also going to send that to the back. Then it makes it look like it's inside the border. Also going to do that with the next one. I'm going to look for my photo. This is going to be a blue Lego minifigure shark. So I'm going to add that to my blue border, and I want to make sure that no white edges are showing on this one. A little white edge was showing when I drug it to fill, so then I just turned it a little bit so that it would fit my Polaroid border. Copy that again and put it in the yellow, and I'm going to have a bee flower for this one. Now in my set of borders that you can purchase, you can actually make your own layouts. There are all 5 different colors. There's the green, pink, orange, and blue, and you can combine them to make all these different layouts yourself, or you can use the pre-made layouts. I have some that are singles, some that are tri borders where there's 3 different colors, or you can mix and match and make your own. So there's just lots of combinations to make with the Polaroid borders in color. You might find that, I know one of the teachers said she used them for inputting the kids' photos for a parent night, and the parents really commented they liked that. That was on my black and white borders. You can add text just like you would if you want to use this for a cover for one of your Teacher Pay Teacher products or a cover for something. You can add text to the top. I'm using my KG fonts. I really like those. So I have for Grace for today, and then I also have Let Her Go Solid for those choices of fonts for this. And then you can also use this area that's down at the bottom of each border as a place to type. So I'm just going to add my name. Actually, I'm going to add a background first. So I'm going to put a background photo on this whole thing just to give you a look of what that would be. You could use any of your background papers that you've bought. Those would look great. Any different kind of papers that are the bright colors or something you think would go well with whatever border you're using. So use that to fill. I'm going to get a rainbow picture here, putting that in the background, and I'm scaling that to fit my background. I'm going to send that to the back, and like I said, the edges are transparent also, so whatever you put in front of your border, always send it to the back, and then you'll be able to see the edges. So now my borders are filling up my page here with my background, and then I'm going to add my logo here for my blog that's on the corner. I live to learn, I live to grow. And then I'm going to show you how you can actually add your text to the photo down at the bottom. So I'm putting my name there. I need a good one. And that's just a way that you can use this free template. And hopefully you'll like to check out the borders for purchase and see what you can use and what you can use them for the classroom or for any of your products. So as the video ends here, I'm exporting it as a PDF just to kind of show you what it looks like all filled in my video got a little bit squashed on this one when I was recording. So now it's going to be back to normal to show you what it actually looks like. I hope you enjoyed seeing this video and seeing how you can use the Polaroid borders. And I am maybe going to work on a primary color set. Let me know if you would have an interest in that so that I know if I should make a primary set. So this is the final product, and I'll zoom in here a bit. You can kind of see what it's going to look like. So that's the Polaroid borders. There's 40 in the set and lots of different options.